Hey, it's Patrick from J&P Cycles. I'm here to talk to you today about Grom stuff, specifically from Vance and Hines. I know when you think Vance and Hines, most of you think like Harley Davidson horsepower, drag racing, flat track, but they also make a ton of stuff for other bikes and stuff for Groms. I know you Grom guys and girls out there are basically rabid about your Groms, so you're gonna love this. Full stainless system from Vance and Hines for under 400 bucks. This isn't a slip-on, this is a full system to squeeze all of the juice out of your little Grom. This will do it, some American-made horsepower. This thing is just beautiful. It looks racy, which is what you're gonna want for your Grom. It's about as much what it looks like as what it does when it comes to a Grom, I think. The other nice thing when it comes to looks is the Fender Eliminator. You know, bike companies have these terrible habits of putting these super heinous fenders on these bikes. Vance and Hines makes a real easy bolt-on solution for under 200 bucks to clean all this up back here. But I know what you guys are wondering, what's it sound like? Let's find out. That sounds healthy. It's a healthy Grom. There you have it. If you want your Grom to sound like a 450 Supercross bike, this is the pipe for you. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop us a comment and go work on those motorcycles.